So are you ready for another cool math party trick? Of course not. You don't get invited to parties. We've been over this. All right, so for this one today, we're going to teach you a cool trick for squaring any number that ends in 5. All right, so let's say I have the number 25, and I want to know what the square of that is, all right? Well, we can estimate that. The square of 20 is 400, and the square of 30 is 900, so it's somewhere between 400 and 900. So the trick here is you're going to take the first number, all right, just the first digit or digits, and take that number times 1 plus that number. So in our case, we're going to take 2, and then 1 more than that is 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, and we're going to put 25 after that. So 625 is our answer. So let's do 15 now. So 15, we got 1. We're going to add 1 to that and then multiply it by the 1. So 1 times 2 is still 2. And then we're going to put the number 25 behind it. All right, so we can keep doing this. So let's go with 55. That's a little bit tougher. We're going to take that first digit, 5, and we're going to multiply it by 1 more. So 5 times 6 is 30. And then we just put 25 right behind it. And we're just gonna keep doing that. So as I mentioned here all the time, we wanna know why things are behaving the way they are. So there's gotta be a mathematical proof that we can do to prove this rule out. So we're gonna take 15 as the example here, and we're gonna call that z. So z is equal to 15. And we're gonna square that, so we got z squared. Now let's number off both of the digits. So x will be the first digit, which is 1, and y is the second digit, which is 5. So how would we get 15 from those two digits, the 1 and the 5? All right, well, we need 10x plus y equals z. All right, we're gonna take that equation, put it aside for a little bit, and we'll bring it back in a second. So we're gonna put our party trick on the other side of the equation, which is x times x plus 1 times 100 plus 25. And we know that 25 is equal to y squared, so we're gonna substitute in y squared for the 25. So now we got x and y and z all in one equation. That doesn't really help us. So let's go back and grab that equation for z where it's 10x plus y. All right, so we're gonna put that in our equation, and we gotta square it now so that it's equal to the other side. Now we go back to the FOIL method that we learned probably in algebra or algebra 2, and that's the first ones, the inner ones, the outer ones, and the last ones. We're gonna multiply those together, and we get 100x squared plus 20xy plus y squared. But let's multiply it the other side. So we got 100x squared plus 100x plus y squared. So we can see right off the bat that the 100x squared cancels out on each side, and the y squared cancels out on each side. So we're making some progress. All right, but what about that 20xy and we got 100x on the other side? Those don't quite match up. But let's go back. Remember, what is y equal to? Y is equal to 5. So what's 20 times 5? That's 100. So now we have 100x equals 100x, and those cancel out. As a result, we have a mathematical formula that says this cool party trick works. So go show it to your friends, have some fun, tell them the Mentored Engineer sent you. So if you like nerdy stuff like this, please take a second to like, share, and subscribe. So there's tons of other nerdy videos that we have. Please take a second, go to www.mentoredengineer.com and find the inner nerd in you.